This is our manifold expansion tank. The 60-gallon minute pump pumps at 700 psi, a lot of volume, a lot of pressure, and if there's any air that gets into the system, so let's say you run a tank dry and some air gets into the system, and as you know, when you're restarting that system back up and getting liquid back into the pump, it's tougher on the pump, it shakes, it rattles, it knocks, it bangs, it's noisy. Well, it's trying to get the air out of the system. What this does, it absorbs a lot of that shock. This acts like a shock absorber. It's actually filled with air, but it's hooked to the plumbing supply of the manifold, so that any extra shock that's going into the manifold can actually be absorbed by this expansion tank. We're trying to make your equipment perform better and to last longer and to be able to absorb the kinds of wear and tear that happens during normal operation of a truck. And this expansion tank is a critical part of that.